Okay, next question. 20 now. Now 26th now it is. Maybe number is missed. I don't know. In which the following the two expressions are like terms? Which the following two expressions are like terms? I'll write the equation. This one following. 7x and 7y. 7x and 9y. 9x. 7x and 7x square. 7x and 7xy. So which one is the like term here? Anybody can answer.
7x and 9x. 7x,
Yeah,
7.
second. Option B is the correct one. Option B is the correct one. Okay. Next question. The surface area of a cuboid of length L. Surface area of a cuboid of length L. Breadth B. Height is h. Breadth B, height is h. What is the formula of surface area of the cuboid? Do you know what is the formula for surface area of a cuboid? Surface area of the cuboid formula is 2 into length breadth, breadth height and height length. Length breadth height and height length. Remember this formula, okay? Next question. The exponent in 10 to the power 2 is. The exponent in 10 to the power 2 is. Which is the exponent here? 2 is the exponent. What about the 10? What is the 10? The name of the 10? 10 is what here?
Yes.
This is, yeah. This is base here. 2 is called exponent or power or index. Three names are there. Exponent, power or index. Next question. Minus 2 to the power minus 5 minus 2 to the power minus 5 into minus 2 to the power 6 is equal to minus 2 to the power minus 5 into minus 2 to the power 6 equal to what? So this is negative. So how to write? I'll make it a positive, means minus 2 to the power minus 5. That becomes 1 to the power minus 2. I would have taken this one to the denominator, means the negative power becomes positive. E negative number ಏನು change ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. -5 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪವರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ. ಇಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ -2. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. -2 ಇಂಟು -2 ಇಂಟು -2 ಇಂಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 all divided by 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Remaining is here only 1 minus 2. Correct? So answer is -2. Or ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಈ ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ 6 minus 5 1 minus 2 to the power 1 is -2 itself. Exponents you have studied, I think ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 4 6 8. Okay. 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. Write in the exponential form. Okay, now write 3 into 10 to the power, count the zeros. This. Okay, next 31 question. Next question. The common factor of the common factor of x to the power 3, y to the power 2 and x to the power 4, y common ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ both xy is there, so low in the common term lowest power you have to take out. X ನೋಡಿ x to the power 3, x to the power 4, lowest is x to the power 3. Next in y square, y is the lowest one, so this is the common factor in both. Okay, next 32, the factorization of, again factorization means nothing but taking the common term out. The factorization of 6x minus 42 is 6x minus 42 is, take the common one out. 6 is common in both. What remains here? X is remaining here. 6 how much the 42? 6 7s are 42. This is the factorization of the given question. Next question. Once again, the factorization of x square plus xy plus 2x plus 2y. Okay. Now group the terms. These two one group I will do. Common we have to take. 4 in the ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. So like this we'll do. So which one is the common here? X is the common here. What remains? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು x to the power 2 ಇತ್ತು. So 1x remains plus ಈ x ಅನ್ನು already ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದಿದೆ. So remaining is y here. Nothing is common, only the number is common here. So once again x plus y. Now just once you see here and here, the common term in both sides is x plus y. Take the x plus y common out. What remains outside? X plus 2. Okay. X plus 2. Okay. Next question. The factorization of x square minus 9. Here nothing is there to take the common out. Common out anta helike idu illa illi. But it must be in one formula. Just observe here, this is a x square, 9 I can write in as 3 square. In terms of 3 square I can write 9. Now you see this formula becomes a square minus b square. So what it says, the formula says a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So split the term x plus 3, a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Next one, pie chart is given. Pie chart or circle graph. Okay, I'll draw the graph here. Now, this is almost 120 degree. 150. This is the 150 degree. They said it is a food. Next to 70 degree. It is a cloth. Next to 30, education. Education. Next to 175 degree. It is a house rent. Next to 135 degree. It is a saving. Now the questions are, on which head is expenditure maximum? Answer from the question. Anybody can answer for the question. Is on which head expenditure is maximum? Heli.
Food.
Yes, food. 150 it is.
Food.
Next question. Yeah. Next question, on which head expenditure is minimum?
Saving.
Saving.
Saving ಅಲ್ಲ
Saving.
30 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು 35 saving, 30 education. Next, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next, other questions. A dash is a bar graph that shows data in the intervals.
Pie chart.
Dash, pie chart ಅಲ್ಲ. Dash is a bar graph. Bar graph is one type of bar graph. This is a type of bar graph. Dash is a bar graph which shows data in the intervals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Which graph it is? It is a histogram. Histogram or histograph. Next one, the point 0, 0 lies at x-axis, y-axis, origin. Where? The point 0, 0 lies at x-axis, y-axis and origin. Elli?
Origin.
Origin. Good. Origin. See, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. 0, 0 lies here in the origin. Next, 40th question. The generalized form of the number 33 is? Generalized form means expansion. Expansion of the given number. 33. How to write? 3. This is the unit place. This is the 10th place. 3 into 10 plus 3 into 1. This is the generalized form. Next question. The number 1 into 8 is divisible by? The number 1 into 8 is divisible, 1 into alladu, 1x8, 1x8, missing here one number, is divisible by 3, then what's the value of x they ask? What is the value of x? Options are 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. This is the first option. Second option 4. Third option 5. Fourth option D 7. Which is answer? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 8 9, yes divisible. 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 1 4, 4 plus 8 12 divisible. 6 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 6 8 14 1 15 divisible. 9 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 10 18 divisible. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. 4 ಹಾಕಿ 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13 can't. 5 6 plus 8 14 can't. 7 8 8 16. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So first option is the correct one. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ divisibility of 3. You must add the numbers and what sum you are getting, that must be the multiple of 3. That must be the multiple of 3. Then your answer is correct. Okay, next question, last question. The number 15287 is divisible by? Option 3 7 9. In which number it will divisible? Tell me. 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 5 plus 1 6 8, 8 8 16, 16 plus 7 25. No, fails. 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಯೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 7 2s are 14, 1 remains. 7 1s are 7, 12 ಅಂದರೆ 5, 7 8s are 56. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? can't. 9 6, 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 25, 9 ಕೂಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So the fourth option answer is none of the above. None of the above. Divisible by any number. Here we have finished our rich course questions. In this only any 10 questions I will give for the exam. ಈ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ 9th standard syllabus. This question paper multiple choice rich course questions already uploaded yesterday. Please complete in the notes. Okay, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು. Then today's class notes what I am doing now, that also I will upload. Copy it yourself afterwards. In the notes only, class notes only. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಈ ವರ್ಷ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಒಟ್ಟೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Ninth. Okay, first lesson name is number system. Lesson name is number system. So before going for the number system, how many types of numbers are there? We have studied already the first type of number. It is a natural number. Natural number. It's denoted by the capital letter N. So the number starts from 1, 2, 3, so on. We don't know where it will end. Only the starting we know, ending we don't know. Okay, next number is a whole number. Whole number comes with the natural number including 0. Whole number is denoted by the capital letter of W. Including 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, after the whole number, only the positive numbers we are collected here. We want the negative numbers. So how can we write the negative numbers? By using the integers. By using the integers, we can write the negative numbers. These integers, either they will mention in terms of I or the maximum in Z letter. Z means it is the Zahlen. Zahlen means it's a Greek word. The word meaning is to count. We have to count. Counting numbers like that. So 0 does not have any negative positive sign. Okay, it's a neutral. Afterwards, plus 1 and minus 1. Plus or minus 1. Plus 2, minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Plus 3, minus 3. Plus or minus 3. So on. Okay, so on. Next, after integers, rational number. We know about the number integers, I think, because now I draw one number line. Middlemost is a 0. It is a neutral. There is no positive or negative sign. If you went for the right hand side of the neutral or 0, it is a positive number 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, so on. Next, if you count for the left hand side, it's a negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Okay? Okay. Next, we will move to the rational numbers. Rational numbers. What is meant by rational numbers? Okay, I'll rub this one. Next, rational numbers. Rational number means the numbers. Now we have seen a positive number, negative number, everything. Then what about the fractional numbers? So fractional numbers comes here in the rational numbers. This they mention with the Q. Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. This is compulsory. It is in the form of numbers in the form of P by Q like this, but Q should not be equal to 0. Andre 2 equal to 0 ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 2 0 ಆದರೆ 2 0 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 0 1/0 ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಇಟ್ 1/0 ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಇಟ್ 0/1 ಆದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0ವೇ ಬಟ್ 1/0 ಅನ್ನು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ for that reason they are saying q is should not be equal to 0 okay any numbers you can take half 3/4 minus 5/6 minus 8/9 but one thing you remember each whole number suppose I am taking the whole number as 4 each whole number contains the denominator as 1 so each whole number is a rational number remember that each whole number is a rational number but each rational number is not a whole number 1/2 is not a whole number ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ whole number rational number ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ rational numbers whole number ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ this is about the rational number next one more coming is an irrational number what is mean by irrational number these are very important you must know the basics of this if you don't know this you cannot go further see comparing to 8th 7th or 10th maths 9th standard maths is little confusing and tough everything I'll accept but you must study okay ನಿಮ್ಮ 10th maths easy ಇದೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9th maths ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಯರಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಇದು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ but if you study it's not difficult exercise ಮಾತ್ರ ರಾಶಿ ಇದೆ okay irrational number ಅಂದ್ರೆ the numbers which is not in the form of p/q numbers which is not in the form of p/q ಅಂದ್ರೆ suppose ನಿಮಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು root 2 is a prime number remember one thing dear students inside the root any prime number comes that is a irrational number root ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ prime number 4 ಅಲ್ಲ 4 irrational number ಅಲ್ಲ because square root of 4 is 2 ಇದು irrational number ಅಲ್ಲ square root of 3 square root of 5 square root of 11 these numbers are the irrational numbers square root of 23 because these are all the prime numbers inside the square root any prime number comes that is an irrational number and not only that you have seen this pi you have seen this pi is it what is the value of pi we will say it is 22/7 or we will say 3.14 something it will go continuously it will not repeat it is not repeating and it will not end also that number is called an irrational number okay now I will tell which type of how can we identify the numbers as a rational and irrational before going for that some true false questions are there we will answer and go for that first question is reason also asked everything I have written in the notes you copy it later are the following statements true or false give reason for your answer they asked okay I'll grab this one so every whole number is a natural number so ನಮ್ಮ whole number system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ numbers ಯಾವುದು 0 1 2 so on 3 4 5 6 is it they asked every whole number is a natural number but 0 is not a natural number so it is false because 0 is not a natural number false second question is every integer is a rational number they said every integer is a rational number these are the integers every integer is a rational number yes I can write -1/2 here negative also there positive also there I can write 5 -5/6 negative positive everything is there so every integer is a rational number correct third one every rational number is an integer they said every rational number is an integer so every rational number is an integer is false 3/5 ಇದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ -3 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ -5 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ +3 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ This is not an integer. So I'll stop here. Now I'll upload the notes, but notes contains many things. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತ ಎಣಿಸಿದ್ದು ಬೇಡ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಉಳಿದದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ. ಓಕೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಉಳಿದದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಗೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬರ್ದಾದ ನಂತರ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. there is 4 minutes. See here, I typed the class notes. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 355 is not an integer. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ. ಪಾಠ ಆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. I wanted to check my class notes. Wait, everyone on your cameras and turn back. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಪೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅನನ್ಯ, show me your notes. ಅನನ್ಯ, show me your notes. ಅನನ್ಯ ಪಟಾಪಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಸ್, ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್. ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಬರ್ದದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮೊನ್ನೆ, ಆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೇಡ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ. ಧನ್ಯ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ರೀ? ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಕಿತಾ, ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್. ಅಂಕಿತಾ, ಡೈಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 minutes. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಅಂಕಿತಾ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ರಿಟನ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಧನ್ಯ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಧನ್ಯ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯ? ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಶೋ ಮಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್, ಶೋ ಮಿ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಎಂತ ಆಯಿತು? ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಲಿನ್. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಲಿನ್, ಎಸ್, ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್. ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್. ಸಂಜನಾ, ಶೋ ಮಿ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ. ನೋಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ವರ್ಷಾ.
Teacher, mother notes book today I will write and send teacher.
Okay, okay. Next one, Surgeon. Yeah, turn the page. Yes. Hansia. Where is Hansia? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗ್ನೇಲ್.
ಟೀಚರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೂಟ್.
ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ತಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ದು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಹುಡುಕಿ. ಡೇವಿಡ್, show me your notes. David, yes, turn the page.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Which I said
good,
to
good.
my father to bring notes today.
ನನಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸುಮನ್, ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಸುಮನ್, ಎಸ್, ಎಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Yes, turn. Yes, Manisha, today joined, I think. Yes, okay. Manisha, you joined today. Take down the notes from the app. There is in the notice board. Have you written? Very good. Turn. Okay. Ananya, I not written the notes. I will write and send. Okay. Soundarya, I got the notes today. Okay. Soundarya, you will write afterwards. Ninad over. Then who is this? Soundarya illa. Prasid? ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Sachi, show me one note. Yes, turn the page. Turn. Yeah, good. Okay. Deran, where is the note? Deran. Okay, turn the page. Why it is in the ruled book? No problem. Okay, turn. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆದಂತರ ರೂಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಅದೆಂತದ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತದ ಗೆರೆ? ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫುಲ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ. ಸಚೇತ್, is the note? Yes, good. Okay, dear students, I think everyone showed. Anybody is left out? 17 students ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡುವ ಇದು ಕೇಳುವ. Okay, bye. Thank you. I'll upload the notes. Write it fast. Okay. Okay. Bye.